Shanghai-based Yanfeng Automotive Interiors is the global leader in automotive interiors with 100 manufacturing plants in 18 countries. When Yanfeng was spun off as a joint venture in 2015, a 28,000-employee startup was created overnight. So it had to quickly set up business systems to support operations in Asia, Europe, and North America. When it came to human resources, Yanfeng quickly realized that it would need to use a new HR platform covering the globe. It chose Oracle Cloud HCM because Oracle integrated the full range of HR functions in the cloud. But Yanfeng's HR staff was limited. It needed help to make the global system a reality. The logical choice was Baker Tilly, a leader in designing HR solutions with extensive experience helping companies navigate through the complexities of divestiture. Says Robert Redman, Director, Human Capital Services Consulting at Baker Tilly.
We do not just hand over the system back to the customer, but we take it as a journey with the customer.
With Baker Tilly's help, Yanfeng harmonized its HR processes and rolled out a common performance management system. Yanfeng also created a single source of HR data worldwide to help build a rich pipeline of new talent. Says Christian Moeller, VP of HR, Yanfeng.
For the first time, when you go to our website, you can actually see all of the open positions worldwide. We have recruiting teams in the regions that work much more efficiently now.
With its new Oracle HCM cloud solution, Yanfeng can attract the right people to fuel the next round of growth for this fast-moving innovator in the global auto industry.